Hi, uh, we're going to make another Animate CC animation about like a signature writing. So it's not motion twin and it's not shape twin. It's kind of a most preliminary techniques for the animation, um, like a flipbook style. So first, let's create the new document, 550 by 420 frames per second. New document. Um, I'm going to import one image as a background, which is going to be a kind of old, uh, burned or the worn out paper texture. So Command R to import the image. Old paper, yes. Let me set to 0 by 0 point. Let me rename this layer as a paper. Okay. Let me create another new layer for the text or signature. Now let me type the my name, um, like a handwritten style. So this is the font I downloaded from the font.com, or we may have some more. So let me type my name. So once it is done, we can use the signature. So you can write your signature on paper, and we can scan it and we can use that. Okay, so let me say this is my signature. So I'm on old paper. So the concept, the process is we're going to make writing sequence backward, and once it is done, we're going to reverse the entire sequence, entire frames, so we can have uh, kind of a fake writing effect. So the first thing is this is a text, so that means I cannot make any changes except the font or the size. But what we need to do is we're going to need to delete or erase the little by little, so we can have some kind of writing effect. So we will need to break apart twice. So once it is done, it will my signature, this typeface, will be turned into um, the graphics, not actual type. It's like the create outlines in Illustrator. So same thing. So under the modify, Command B, break apart, or Command B, the shortcut. So let me use my shortcut, Command B once, and Command B twice. So now I see that kind of a white meshes on my letters. So that means this is a graphic. So what we're seeing is that this is the last frame of my entire sequence, meaning I'm going to erase it from the end little by little, and then once it is erased, and I'm going to reverse the entire sequence as I mentioned before. So to secure my background layer, let me lock my layer, background layer, or let me hide it. Okay, so from the top layer, so this is the last one, so I need to have the complete signature. So the routine for this entire technique is first insert the keyframe F6 key. So on frame number 2 I have exactly the same thing. So from frame number 2 I'm going to erase it little by little. So let me use my eraser tool. Eraser size is good. So I'm going to erase from the dot of my letter I. Once it is done, F6. Same thing, F6, erase more, F6, erase more, F6. So I'm going to repeat the same steps over and over and again until I erase it completely. I'm going to erase maybe a little more, maybe letter by letter, so we can see the result a little bit quicker. If you erase it less at a time, that means you're going to have smoother and a little bit slower animation, the sequence. F6. So I'm erasing the letter by letter now. F6. F6. Okay. So once it is done, so this is a backward. So only thing I need to do is just to select my entire signature layer on top and then hold down the control key and click on any frame on this from this selected frames, any frames, and we're gonna find the reversed frames. So let me hit the return so I can play it. Okay, so it's kind of quick because I erased the end just letter by letter. Okay, so that's it.